was Miss Universe, but after joining, my dreams shattered.
This year, you are one of the candidates for Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
What's the tea? What happened here? Could I use the
That's
word
a very
disappoint?
controversial question because if I answer the truth, someone's going down. I started when I was 9 years old because my family was rich when I was a baby. And then we suddenly became poor because
Wait for a while. I will think now for you.
his handling of funds and business. We went bankrupt. And so me, as someone who's training my talent, I sing, I dance, I act. I have 9 years in Stanislavski acting of training in the best schools. I studied in the best private schools, international schools. And
พี่พัด
I wanted to make my mom proud because of the devastation of losing everything. We lost our house, we lost everything, and so I use pageantry because it's the easiest way to showcase your talent. It's the easiest way for me. For me, it was just showing up on stage and ramping, and the talent portion was one of the best parts for me. But it wasn't as how I would dream myself to be because I dreamt of becoming a pop star when I was young. Yes. I'm more of a music producer. I'm a singer-songwriter as well because of
พี่พัด
the
สลับมาถืออันนี้ได้ปะเดี๋ยวถ่ายเอง
So coming from
มาถือไล
a
ท์ได้ไหม
rich background,
มาถือไลท์ได้ไหมเดี๋ยวผมไปถ่ายเองมา
pageantry was a way for me to express myself because I felt unseen because of my parents having so much problems. And so I'm back. I love that. Thank you.
I have a question. This is like a part of me who love gossip. This is just because this year you are one of the candidates for Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes, yes.
But what's the tea? What happened at the middle of the competition? You suddenly
Oh my God.
disappear. Could I use the
That's
word
a very
disappear?
controversial question because if I answer the truth, someone's going down. No, but for me, it doesn't align with my values. Before, my dream was Miss Universe, but after joining, my dreams shattered. It wasn't how I expected it to be. I mean, it's 2022, and I was expecting a newer way of approaching pageantry, inclusivity. People are suffering. We still look at the mold as something that is relatable, which is not. There's so many people who needs relatability, and it's not relatable to me anymore. And as much as we use the word empowerment, if it's not empowerment, then I don't want to be part of it.
But you said that if you say the truth, you said if you say the truth, something will come out.
No, I'm just joking. I have a very dry humor.
She was being sarcastic.
Yes, I'm very, sarcastic. Actually, I get into trouble with it, but I'm grateful for it because it made me famous. Without it, sir, nobody would know my name. But I'm grateful that nobody really, not majority of the people understands my humor because that makes me trending, viral, and everything. But they don't see me as human anymore. It's like a way of fame.
But you didn't go out to be famous. There is a reason.
No, I didn't do that to be famous. Like it's just accident, always.
Kelly, you competed in Miss Grand International in 2017.
Yeah, correct me.
How does it feel being back here with Mama and